Hey there friends, start of day 2. I'm going to trim a little bit of the linoleum away, and then I'm going to mount the repair ring that goes on the flange. Whee. Close this, get a little more light in here. So here you can see, I know this doesn't come in terribly well on the camera, but here's my repair ring, and I need to get that evenly placed over the plastic, so I gotta remove a little bit of this. So that's my next chore. Be right back. I don't know if you can see this. Alright, so in an attempt to be clever, I'm going to use this bowl to cut away the incorrect material. Where is that? I'm going to never see this ring. That's pretty smart I did too, I think. No? Yes, no. Okay, here we are. I'm just about to Sid found something. Well, I don't even know what that means, but I'm very excited. Anyway, I'm going to screw this down, and this is the new false flange. All right. Okay.
Now.
Against Argentina? Mm-hmm. Wow.
4-0.
What?
Just changed while I was watching.
Wow. Now if we have a screw here and a screw there, should be okay. Okay, we got the repair ring in and the little lug bolts that hold things in place. So all ready to go. That's leftover tape from the sticker. So Sid wants to do a test fit of the oopsie daisy. Not going anywhere, baby. Sid's gonna do a test fit of the wax ring that comes with the toilet. So it looks pretty good.
Okay, that's centered.
It's centered, but do we want to put it on the toilet where it's sure fitted to the toilet's dimensions, where we're not mashing around, or you think it's solid enough that we can... What's your choice? I'm just asking, what do you think? So, here's the bottom of the toilet. Does it make any difference, you think? Or is it going to fall right off as soon as we pick it up?
That's what I'm afraid of.
Yeah, go ahead, put it on the floor. I like where you're going with that.
And this way it's centered on the screws and everything.
Alright. Okay, you ready to guide this in?
As I can, I guess. This one's fine.
Okay.
Okay, you want to turn it so it's square.
Sorry, you're missing all the excitement here. We're putting in the little things that hold the toilet down. Are you mumbling, honey?
I was trying to get you to use some voice inflection.
Oh, well, I mean,
As
I
soon
don't.
as you talk to the camera, you have fun.
I'll have you know that yesterday's video is solid gold.
Boring.
Huh?
Solid gold boring.
Oh, you. It's not boring. It's, I don't know, conversational.
See, that's your normal voice there, but when you talk to the camera,
Yeah.
you use your dead man voice.
I'll have to get Franz to comment or something like that and tell me if I'm truly as boring as I appear to be. Oh, the thing and the stuff.
What are you doing? Eat my skin. My skin's soft on my bed. You're silly. You're a silly chicken.
What you doing?
Does she need to help you? Does she do a camera? She comes in there?
That's what I was gonna say. She can, instead of my butt in the camera, you might have a chicken walkthrough or.
Camera running?
Huh?
Is the camera running?
Yeah. What is it, Mariah?
What do you want, Mariah? What's going on?
Bird's in an existential crisis 100% of the time. I don't know what she wants.
Here's Fritz's butt. Here's the chicken.
Oh, honey. Why am I not coordinated with...
Oops.
Look at that.
Chicken, move your camera.
No. Oh, finally. My gosh. Alright. Now I'll just pause here until we get to the next part. Hey Mariah, what do you think? Huh? What's your opinion of this process? Yeah, I thought so. Okay, so we're up to getting the tank in, which is kind of exciting. I mean, I know excitement, and this is it.
Alright, so you're going to set it on. I'm going to slide these up. Why is that piece of tape there?
I don't know.
Let me read it first.
Is it an inspection item?
This fixture complies with... Okay, I'm going to get it off of here. This product complies with the Make the Owner Crazy.
Is that in?
Yep.
It's in.
Okay, here's one for you. Don't push.
So that went well. Here's something cool about this toilet, is I'm not used to toilets from the future. So it's a double flush, and all the mechanisms are all in here. I think that's probably the float. Well, we'll find out. I gotta go get some wrenches to attach the water line. I just realized I didn't capture the last part of our epic toilet installation. So here we go. Works like a charm. Fully tested. No water drips, which was our big fear. And we got this cool, nifty flush a duty dad thing up here, which is cool. Booyah. Thank you guys for watching.